So what if you could totally reinvent yourself in the next 90 days? I'm not talking about some vague promise. This is a proven system. Let's dive right into the framework that can actually make it happen.
We've all been told that real, meaningful change is this slow, gradual process that takes, years. But what if that's not the whole story? What if the biggest, most profound shifts in our lives don't happen over a long time, but in these short, powerful sprints? You see this in sports science all the time. It's a concept called supercompensation. And the idea is pretty simple. Real growth only happens when you push way past your limits and then recover, because you come back stronger than before. It's not this slow, steady climb. It's a breakthrough.
So listen, this isn't about just tweaking a few habits here and there. We're talking about fundamentally rewriting who you are. In this explainer, I'm going to walk you through a proven 3-step system to completely rewire your identity in the next 90 days. Okay, let's get into the first and honestly the most crucial step. You have to establish an unshakable purpose. This is the foundation for everything else we're going to talk about.
Just picture your life as a ship in a storm. Without a crystal clear vision, every little distraction, every problem, every bit of self-doubt is a wave that's just going to toss you around. A powerful vision, though, that's the anchor that holds you steady, pointing you in one single, unwavering direction.
Now, this is where we get into the science of why a vision is so incredibly important. I mean, just look at these numbers. Your conscious mind, the one you're using right now, is processing about 50 bits of information per second. Meanwhile, your subconscious is an absolute supercomputer, chewing through 11 million. A clear, compelling vision hijacks this insane power and basically turns your subconscious into your own personal reality engine. And if you want a perfect example of this in action, look no further than Terry Fox. The guy was told he didn't have much time left, but instead of just giving up, he set this impossible mission for himself. Can you imagine the pain of running a marathon every single day? It had to be excruciating. But his vision, his why, was just so much bigger than his pain, bigger than his exhaustion, and even bigger than his own mortality.
So, here's your task. It's absolutely crucial that you make this real for yourself starting right now. Treat it like you're a startup writing your business plan. Write down exactly who you want to be in 90 days. And don't be vague. The simple act of writing it down begins that process of rewiring the supercomputer we just talked about.
Okay, so a vision gives you the direction, the why. But let's be honest, it's pretty useless without an engine to get you there. And that brings us to step 2, building the systems, the rituals that will actually move you forward. You know, this right here is exactly why most New Year's resolutions are dead by February. They rely on willpower. And willpower is like a phone battery. It starts full in the morning, but it just drains throughout the day. Rituals, on the other hand, they're built on systems. They become automatic, like brushing your teeth. You don't need motivation, you just do it.
When George R.R. Martin asked Stephen King how he writes so many books, King didn't talk about waiting for inspiration or some magical muse. Nope. He just described his simple, non-negotiable ritual, 6 pages every single day. That's the raw power of a system over fleeting feelings like motivation.
And the science totally backs this up. This idea of a flow state, it's that sweet spot where you're so focused that time just melts away. It happens when you have clear goals and manageable steps. And what creates those steps? You guessed it. Rituals are the key that unlocks that state of peak performance day in and day out. So, here are 4 core rituals you could start with. But listen, this is really important. Do not try to do all of these at once. You'll burn out. Just start with one. Master it for a week, and then add the next. Over these 90 days, you're going to methodically build a new routine that just runs on autopilot, powering you straight toward your vision.
All right, let's move on to the final and maybe the most powerful step. This is where it all comes together. Your vision gives you the why, the rituals give you the how, but this step, this gives you the who.
I mean, think about Kobe Bryant. When he was facing all this immense pressure in his personal life, he knew he couldn't bring that baggage onto the basketball court. So what did he do? He created the Black Mamba. The moment he stepped on the court, he wasn't Kobe anymore. He became this cold-blooded, laser-focused competitor who was totally immune to all the outside noise.
And hey, before you dismiss this as just some clever mental trick, you should know it's a recognized psychological tool.
The alter ego effect lets you tap into qualities you might not even think you have, just by stepping into a different identity that's purpose-built for the task at hand. This quote from Einstein just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? If you want new results, if you truly want to become a different person, you have to operate from a different mindset. An alter ego isn't a mask, it's the fastest way to build and step into that new mind.
And guess what? You can build your own, like right now. It's just 3 simple steps. First, who do you admire? What are their best traits? Second, give that persona a name. And third, create a simple trigger. It could be putting on a specific hat or a watch that signals to your brain, okay, it's time. Time to become that person. Okay, so let's bring these 3 powerhouse concepts together. You have the anchor of your vision, you have the engine of your rituals, and you have the identity of your alter ego to execute the plan. Your toolkit is complete. This is where your 90-day war begins. This is what we mean when we say you're entering war mode. And it's not about chaos. It's about an extreme 90-day period of controlled, relentless focus where you follow your vision and your rituals as your new alter ego with absolutely no compromises. But remember, this fight, it isn't against the world. It's not against anyone else. It's a battle against your old habits, your old limitations, your old identity. For the next 90 days, you are at war with the person you were yesterday. And with this framework, it's a battle you are now fully, completely equipped to win. The only question left is, will you?